So all over the social media, it's dad's little princess and not prince. What do you think about that?
Because I think the daughters are really close by to fathers for some reason. I don't know, but yeah, it is true.
I don't know, maybe we are pampered a little bit more. I think it's more of my brother's kingdom at home, but I sort of take on the reins. I'm my father's daughter, not father's little princess.
For me, it's like he's very cool, so it's understandable how he's with me and my brother. So we have a special bond with him.
Extra love, extra care, no scoldings at home, too much pampering.
One advice that your dad gave you, which you'd carry with you for life?
Marks do not matter. The personality I carry matters the most.
Financial and timeliness. So because my father taught me like when to invest, how much we need to save for future, and also like doing things orderly, not like doing at the last minute. So it's like it's my teachings from my dad that I'm carrying it now and future also.
The one advice that I'm carrying with me till date is that when you step out, nobody is going to give you a single penny, and every time you waste something, that's somebody else's hard-earned money. So that is something that I carry till date with me. Honesty. Just be honest and then life will happen. Actually, my dad never advises, so it works out great in a lot of ways. He's more like a cautionate guy, like saying, oh, you did that? Okay, you could have been more careful. That sort of a guy. Never like saying something or like gives you gyan beforehand. So that's cool, I guess.
One superpower you wish you had that your dad has?
The coolness, his how he reacts to such even in serious situation, he acts like okay, now understanding the situation, he doesn't like fear. He speaks out loud. He understands the situation and he speaks accordingly. So that I have not got yet, but I'm trying to get the things from my dad as well.
The patience to handle situations and the calmness that he's carrying. I am definitely not a person who's very patient at anything. So if I could get that patience, whether it's for good or bad, that's something that is there with him. I think a lot of money. Is that a superpower?
The ability to have a lot of patience no matter what the situation is.
Ability to be patient, maybe, because I just lose it very quickly, but he doesn't.
Your favorite thing to do with your dad?
Watching movies.
Watching cricket matches, I am not getting to do that very often these days, but those will always be my cherished memories.
Sit and watch cricket match and just discuss about it.
Just sit and talk about movies. Actually, we do speak about movies. My favorite thing to do, I think, arguing, because that's the most we get out of each other, and it also makes me put out a lot of stress that I have, and vice versa. So it works out best for us.
What does the word appa, acha, dad mean to you?
Love, affection.
Dad is always a dad, nothing more and nothing less. Everything, maybe. The best thing you could ever be grateful for. He's actually a very chill dude. He's more a chill uncle than a chill dad, if that makes sense. All I hope is, my dad has one thing I admire about him is he takes extremely great care about himself. Like he puts himself first, and I wish I can do that for myself.
Prakash Raj or Samudrakani? Which Kollywood dad do you admire?
Prakash Raj.
To be honest, neither, because I've never seen the Samudrakani version of dad in my real life, and I've disliked the Prakash Raj version of my dad in my real life. So
Not so much, but I think Prakash Raj.
Prakash Raj for sure. Why? I don't know. Maybe the first film me and my dad went and watched was Abhiyum Nanum. So that is when it hit really well, and Prakash Raj obviously. I take Prakash Raj over Samudrakani any day. I can't with that overload optimism. I can't.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. It's a wonderful journey as of now, and I like to continue learning new things from my dad in future.
Happy Father's Day, Mohan. I hope you give me your credit card so that I can pay for all the goods on my online shopping cart. Happy Father's Day.
I think a thank you, which I've never told, because telling thank you means it is like discouraging him from doing what he's doing generally for me. But I think he deserves the thank you. Happy Father's Day.
Oh, I'm actually grateful for all that you do. I don't tell it enough,
and thank you. Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Hopefully, I didn't forget this year, and wish we could do more things soon.